one of the world's most adventurous animals. The Sierra Newt spends most of life hidden from sight. In spring, her body releases hormones, and when the conditions are just right, she'll start a journey to find a mate that can be as long as few miles. She had to cross a highway to get to the stream. Despite the odds, this explorer has made it. Her skin releases a pheromone as she enters the water. An irresistible signal. Males respond almost immediately. A tumultuous ball of males surround her. The male who holds on the longest wins.